Hey, what's up everybody? Wanted to hop on here, do a quick review, kind of demonstration, unboxing here of the HiCOZY Vacuum Sealer. They were actually nice enough to send this over to me, and I actually just got everything here out of the box. I had to actually go through the instruction because I've never used one before, so this is going to be a test also of how clear the instruction manual is. I've read them, I think I know what I'm doing, and we're actually going to do our first ever vacuum seal here on video. All right, first off, inside the box, you actually have the vacuum seal unit itself from HiCOZY. You also get the said instruction manual. You get this actually tube here is for if you're sealing mason jars. I do not have any mason jars, but basically how that works is there's one end goes into the mason jar lid, one end goes onto the back of the machine, the vacuum port right over there. But again, I do not have mason jars, so I don't actually need that hose now. You also get a power cord which plugs in over here on the side, and they also include some bags and some plastic wrap for you to vacuum seal. Like tonight, we're going to be vacuum sealing some leftover pizza. Now, they have these bags which are actually pre-cut, but also according to the instructions, they also give you this roll, which is a continuous roll of plastic that you can actually cut to custom-sized bags, which I thought was a pretty cool touch. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do here is I took the little green stickers off of the roll of plastic here. So what we're going to do, let's kind of get this thing here rolled up a little bit. And the first thing that you want to do is basically put it in the little rolling compartment. And then what you want to do is you want to actually measure it out to the amount of food that you have. So for instance, I've got, about a little bit here on my pizza will fit. And you want to make sure you have about a third of the bag is empty space. So here's the thing, we're going to pull this tight. And then we've actually got this little razor blade here in the track. We're going to slide that. And now we've got a little custom bag that we're going to make through here. And as you can see here, we've actually got we've got the plastic here that's open on both sides. All right, so I zoomed in here to try to kind of show you as best as I can. So basically what we have here is you see this little brown strip here. This, I presume, is what's going to get hot and actually seal the bag. But inside, there's like a little insert that you want to come out. So what we're going to do here is to get this sealed and make the bottom of the bag, you're basically going to take your bag, put it into that channel, and now your bag is kind of going to be like, I can't pull that out there, kind of go there, bring it out, and then that's your bag down there. Then what we're going to do, bring this down, and then once it's in there, we're actually going to hit the seal button, and it's going to seal the bag. When that's done, lift this up, and then we have a vacuum sealed bag on one end, but again, obviously, we still have the other end open to put our food in. So we still have the other end open now to put our food in, but now we have a custom sized bag, and there's the nice little seal that you got there. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put our food in, again, through the open-ended section, and then what we're going to do is we're going to do that same process again, kind of put it in, use that little insert there to hold it in, close this, turn it on. All right, now I've zoomed back into the control panel here to kind of show you what we're doing. Because this is pizza and the food has a high moisture content, we're actually going to hit the moist button here, and I'm going to use strong, which is a stronger one there, and it'll just start to seal. And then after a couple of seconds, that was about 40 seconds. Hold on. And then after that's done, after about 40 seconds, we'll pick this up here, remove our item, and now we've got a perfectly vacuum sealed piece of pizza. And I'm going to do that with the rest of the slices, and this should keep in the freezer for much longer, as opposed to just putting it in, wrapping it in tin foil or using a regular Ziploc bag. Overall, the instructions are very, very well written. I was able to do this on the first shot. There weren't too many outtakes. I was just there was a couple times I had to wait for the machine to do something. But overall, well written instructions, well made product, and the desired result is there's no error in this at all. So I would say that's a success. Overall, it's a well made product, and it's something that I would recommend. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.